In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the deposit settings in Acuity scheduling. Managing your appointments efficiently is vital for your business, and sometimes that means adjusting how much of a deposit you require from your clients at the time of booking. Whether you're looking to increase your upfront deposit to secure more committed bookings or decrease it to encourage more appointments, I've got you covered. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Acuity scheduling website. This platform is an incredibly powerful tool that helps professionals like yourselves manage appointments, and changing deposit settings is just one of the many features it offers. Once you're on the homepage, your next step is to log into your account. To do that, simply click on the Login button. This is your gateway to accessing all the features and settings that Acuity has to offer, including the crucial payment settings we're focusing on today. After clicking Login, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure you enter the email address associated with your Acuity account to avoid any login issues. This is a crucial step, as accessing the back end of your scheduling system is necessary for making any changes. Next up, click on Next to proceed. You might be thinking, what's next after hitting Next? Well, if you've set up your Acuity account to work with Google for an easier sign-in process, you'll be presented with the option to continue with Google. This is a nifty feature for those who prefer a seamless integration with their Google accounts, making logging in faster and more secure. Once you've clicked on Continue with Google, you'll then need to select the Google account you use for Acuity. This step is pretty straightforward, but remember, consistency is key here. Using the same Google account that's linked to your Acuity scheduling ensures that you stay organized and avoids any confusion. Now for the main event, changing your deposit settings. To do this, you'll need to navigate to your payment settings within the Acuity platform. The path to get there might seem a bit intricate, but it's quite simple when you know where to click. Look for payment settings or follow the direct link if you have it handy. This particular setting is where you'll make adjustments to how you collect payments, whether it's full payments up front or just a deposit. Once in the payment settings, you're looking for the option labeled Collect Deposits or Full Payment. Clicking here will open the doorway to adjusting how much of a deposit you require for bookings. This feature is incredibly useful for businesses that want to manage cash flow and ensure commitments from their clients. After clicking on Collect Deposits or Full Payment, your next move is to adjust the deposit percentage to your liking. This is where you have the flexibility to determine what percentage of the service cost you require up front. Whether you want to set it at a flat 50% to secure a solid commitment, or perhaps a lower percentage to encourage more bookings, this is where you make that decision. Slide or enter the specific percentage that aligns with your business strategy and client base. Remember, the right deposit amount can serve as a sweet spot between securing your time and accommodating your client's financial needs. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully navigated to the heart of Acuity scheduling's payment settings and adjusted the deposit requirement to better fit your business model. This simple yet effective tweak could lead to improved booking rates and reduced cancellations, optimizing both your schedule and revenue. In summary, changing your deposit settings in Acuity scheduling involves logging into your account, navigating to payment settings, and adjusting the deposit percentage according to your business needs. It's a straightforward process that can have significant benefits for your business operations. Remember, it's critical to communicate any changes in your deposit policy clearly to your clients to maintain transparency and trust. Consider updating your service descriptions or sending out an announcement to keep everyone informed. Thank you for watching this tutorial. By enhancing your understanding and utilization of Acuity scheduling's features, you're well on your way to streamlining your appointment management and focusing more on what you do best. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on optimizing your business with technology.